اه كلاسية.
Domates. So, as I told you, ladies and gentlemen, Coliseum, this is the first STR. Then you see the Odeon, which is 10 times smaller, totally rounded, Greek theaters and Roman theaters, you see. Of course, during those times, they used as workmanship the slaves. For example, they are saying it was taken 19 years time to fix the Aspendos theater, for example, a long time. So what you see now on the left, this is cotton. Cotton. Das ist Baumwolle, links. Natürlich, man sieht zwar große Ruinenstädte, man denkt, man ist das aber eine Arbeit, stimmt auch, aber man sollte nicht vergessen, dass man damals viele